Hi there, students. Averse, an adjective. Averse to, meaning you strongly dislike something. Yeah, you're strongly opposed to it. Aversely, yeah, an adverb, and an aversion as well is something that you really don't like at all, the noun. Okay, so firstly, don't confuse averse with adverse. Adverse, it talks about something that is negative, it has a harmful effect. So an adverse wind, yeah, this has an adverse effect on things. But this is different. Averse, I am averse to people who are dishonest. I strongly dislike. I am averse to low quality soap operas on television. I really don't like them. Okay, so if you're averse to something, you really don't like it. Now, it's very common to use this in the negative to say that you like something. So I'm not averse to having a couple of whiskies before I go to bed. Yeah, people are not averse to the idea of an extra day's holiday, for example. Okay, but if you're averse to something, you loathe it, you really dislike it, you're strongly opposed to it. Yeah, politicians are not averse to publicity. Or in finance, most investors are risk averse. They're strongly opposed to taking a lot of risk. Yeah, a risk averse investment strategy. Okay, so averse, having a strong dislike for something. Yeah, he has an aversion to this. Okay, completely different to adverse. Yeah, although you may be averse to adverse things, but you may not be averse to adversity as well. Maybe you like it. Maybe it's what gives your life some spice. Yeah, so any star is not averse to publicity. Yeah, although adverse, negative publicity is not so good. Yeah, okay, so averse, not willing, inclined to oppose something. Yeah, to feel repugnance or opposition to something. Yeah, to loathe. Yeah, it's the opposite of to be eager to do something. To be averse to doing something. Notice, I'm averse to getting up very early in the morning. Yeah, I'm averse to listening to long, boring speeches. Yeah, I guess humanity as a race, we're generally we feel averse to change. Yeah, we're against change. We don't like it. It's called resistance to change. Okay, so averse, in opposition to something. Your mind is against it. Blech, you don't like it. Yeah, I'm averse to very hot weather, for example. Okay, so you're averse to things. Yeah, you have opposition to something. So I'm averse to this idea. I don't like it. I'm against it. I'm not averse to this idea. I support it. I think it's a good thing. So yeah, most politicians are not averse to lying. Yeah, they're not in opposition to lying. Okay, because it's good for them. It's something that helps them out. Okay, so what things are you averse to? So formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally I'd probably use I'm against. I'm averse to this. I'm against this. use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then as to origin, well, it comes from averto in Latin, advertere, to turn away, which if you split it down comes from ab, away from, and verto, to turn. So to turn away from, yeah, and that's because you're averse to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Averse, averse to, and aversion to.